I've been having this reoccurring theme in January of taking action, getting out of my own head as best as possible, and just taking action on things. And it's really been eye-opening for myself. And it's not just dealing with health and fitness as well. It's not allowing those other little thoughts and perfectionist ideas and all or nothing theories to get in my way. It's actually been as simple as watching a movie. I'll look at a new movie that I haven't seen before, and I'll say, oh, do I have time? Is it going to be good? Maybe I should just watch something I've already watched. And I sit there and think, why can't I just turn on a movie? And if it's not good, turn it back off. But I'm taking action toward stepping forward. Why not just walk into my gym and start a workout? And if I finish it, I finish it. If I don't, I don't. Who cares? I'm still taking action. I'm moving forward. I'm stepping out of my comfort zone to attempt to make progress at something. Even if it's a new business or something, why can't I just kind of started it? Why does it have to be perfect all the time? And when I stopped trying that perfectionist, that all or nothing mentality, and just said, why don't I just start doing and I'll see how it goes? It's been really liberating and it's been amazing. I've been actually stepping outside my comfort zone and doing things that I've never done before. And so I recommend maybe you trying it for this next month and hopefully the rest of your life. Don't allow your thoughts to get in your way. Just try, just do, and don't worry about the end result. Just see where things go.